Morgan here. I'm going to demonstrate the level 2 beam routine using branch nastics. So I'm at a local park and I found a nice log that was fallen tree and it's smooth and soft and it's not wobbly. So I've decided to do a little level 2 beam practice and I thought you might enjoy to watch. So you can't do everything in the routine since it's a small beam, but we can still do our front support and sit in our straddle and try to swing back. Now you might have to bend your knees like I did just to get them back, and that's okay. Our thumbs are together. Jump your feet in. For those of you in my class, you'll recognize this phrase. Pretend there's an invisible wall in front of you. Bring your arms up, and we're going to take the elevator up. Up, 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 up. Ding! Ready. Put your favorite foot in front. Lift it up. Just a little bit above the beam. Take it around to the back. Tap. Arabesque. Tap. Keep looking forward. Step. Step. Kick forward. Kick backward. Plie. Bend your knees and lift. Lean into your lunge. T. Lever. T. Lunge. Pose. Passe pose. Step. Block. Pivot. Straight jump. Fish pose. And step. Kick. And step. Salute. Now, quick clarification. If you just saw that, what you did, don't do it down. Definitely go up. Definitely go up if it's at an angle. And you know what else? Definitely land on the side that is, if the land is like going upward, the side that's closest to the ground. Okay, so you might have to try out a couple of angles here. And it might not even be possible. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a baby dismount facing the tall side.